All right, so this is either computer parts or components and electronics slot. Really not sure which it was. It's a total of $42.19. For those of y'all that might be here the first time, these are kind of like mystery boxes, but I have a very good idea what's in it, just not detailed idea what's in it. So I don't know how much I'll make off of this, what's broken, what works, that kind of thing. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, we're probably not going to be able to just dump this. We can try to dump this. Okay. Well, a Moshi. Please say hello, Moshi, to activate following list of commands. Looks like an electronic alarm clock.
Pretty sure this is a leather case.
I'm sorry, I've been sick. This is a disgusting set of headphones.
Beats Solo HD.
Golf Buddy. From experience, these do not sell well. Cable.
Some earbuds.
Sky Bell. Fake ring doorbell.
Here's switches. Red Dragon mechanical switches for a keyboard.
5-volt supply.
Some more switches. Some more switches.
Uniden Atlantis 250. I would assume it's a scanner. Is it a scanner? It's either a scanner or a CD. We'll look at it later.
And then another mechanical switch box.
Cables.
What is this? I think it's a streaming box.
No. Maybe? Wally? We'll have to look that up.
Fitbit charger.
Lenovo DVD drive.
Amazon Alexa.
Broken radio of some type. Cables.
Desktop microphone.
Cables. Trendnet. What is it? 100? I don't know. It does not say. Either 100 megabit or 1 gigabit switch.
Some more cables.
Cable modem. Hey, I wonder if it's the one that'll go. How fast does this go? 450. That might be our new cable modem.
Another DVD drive.
A Riot gamepad for your phone.
Evo VR
Cable.
for your phone.
And a CB radio. Alright, we'll take a look at everything and then come back to you with some general ideas as to whether stuff works or not.
Yep.
Okay, we haven't tested anything yet, but we will do that after. We wanted to go ahead and throw up at prices and everything. These are like $30, but they are disgusting, so that's trash. This doesn't work, we're saying, so that's trash. This is broken, so that's trash. A leather case. Nah, we'll throw that out. This was like $12 shipped, so it's going into the garage sale pile. These are Altac Lansing Bluetooth. We'll check them, and then they'll go in the garage sale pile. They're like 13 bucks. Evo VR, it's the ones where you put the phone in the headset. It's like 5 bucks. So, garage sale. I have a box full of these things, and Alexa's. Oh, this is Alexa.
Yeah. $5.
Google, the Apple streaming things, Amazon streamers. Anyway, giant box. They're like 5 bucks. Honestly, it would be more fun to use it as a.
Uh-oh.
That didn't break. As a hockey puck, but it'll go in the box after we test it. Okay. Router. We'll keep this for use, spare, backup, whatever you want to call it. Okay. So let's get to the stuff that actually is worth money. Key switches. 4 sets. They do actually go for, what was it, $15, $16?
$15 to $16.
So he wants them, so that's his. Beats headphones. These are Studio HD. Apparently this color
is the most expensive.
Goes for like 25 bucks. We don't have the aux cable, and people are picky about the aux cable being the Beats aux cable, but sometimes we get the aux cables and then we throw them in with the headphones, so 25 bucks. Apple, just plug in earbuds. What'd you say?
15.
15? Yeah, those are pretty regular. Let's see. So this is a Unit marine radio. Assuming it works, it's 35 bucks or so, and it comes with a like AA powered battery pack if you don't want to charge the, I would assume, NiCad pack. It's kind of cool. 2 Lenovo DVD players, which were 15 a piece. Honestly, probably put them for 10 or garage sale. So the gaming thing goes for about 30 bucks. It's an open box. Everything's in it. The packing is still in it. The seal's just broken. Let's see. CB radio. Well, we do test the CB radios with another radio, make sure they communicate and everything. Send, receive works. This goes for about 45 bucks as long as we clean it up. So that's pretty good. The Golf Buddy goes for about 35, assuming it works. This Wally thing is a satellite receiver with the remote, goes for 50 in a refurbished condition. I don't have the remote, so I'll probably put it for 35 or so. Let's see, what else? The cable modem, how much did you say?
It was like
20, let's say 20 bucks. So this is, what'd you say? Skybell.alert.com. Assuming it's not linked to an account that like we can't unlink, like the Ring products, those go straight in the trash because unless the person unlinked their account with the device, you can't use them. So if it's unlinked, then 40 to 80 bucks used. Seems high for Skybell.
Yep.
Alright, so that's it. I would guess, honestly, I don't see any of this not working. So, pretty good haul on this one, considering it was $42 shipped. So, the CB covers it and everything else is profit. That works. If you like what you saw, or even if you didn't and want to make fun of us a little bit from time to time, go ahead and subscribe. Since changing over from the tie-dye to this, the reselling, I've done nothing but lose subscribers, so apparently I've angered the people. So if new people could come on in that are resellers and want to subscribe, that'd be great. I promise we're going to start doing some garage sales and stuff. We have been going out. We went out today and there were maybe 3 or 4, and there was nothing there. He picked up a Roomba for $1, and we may or may not get it working. It'd be like 120 value or so if it works. Probably going to keep it. So we just don't have good garage sales here until it gets quite a bit cooler, and then it stays through March or so. We have good garage sales. Alright, so I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.
Bye.